DJI might be about to change the game in a big way. For years, they've dominated drones and action cameras, but now it looks like they're moving into something entirely new: 360 video. That's right, leaks and early photos suggest DJI is working on what could be its very first 360 action camera, unofficially called the DJI Osmo 360. And based on what we're seeing, it could be a serious threat to current leaders like Insta360. From its bold design to powerful specs, this camera seems ready to shake up how creators shoot immersive content. If you're into travel videos, sports footage, virtual tours, or VR storytelling, this might be a camera worth watching. What's even more exciting is that DJI appears to be crafting an entire ecosystem around it, giving content creators more flexibility than ever before. Here at Factic, we're going to dive into every major detail from leaked specs to software rumors. If you love cutting-edge gear and game-changing tech, this is a review you won't want to miss. And while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. The DJI Osmo 360 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated entries into the 360 camera world. While not officially confirmed, a steady stream of leaks and images gives us a good idea of what to expect. If what's being shown is accurate, DJI is clearly going for a bold entrance with a camera that rivals the most popular options already out there. The design appears sleek and compact with a matte dark gray body and softly rounded corners. It's got dual ultra-wide lenses on opposite sides, slightly bulging outward. This kind of lens setup is common for high-end 360 cameras, as it allows full spherical capture. What stands out is how refined and symmetrical the layout looks: modern, minimal, and built for function. Alongside the lenses, a wide aspect touchscreen is reportedly placed in a vertical orientation, offering easier menu navigation and playback. Physical control buttons are said to be on one side, while the power button is neatly tucked onto an edge. All in all, it's clean and portable, ready for creators on the go. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. Early reports say this camera features dual 1.28-inch sensors, which is impressive for a device this size. These sensors are crucial because they offer better image quality, especially in low-light scenarios, where 360 cameras often struggle. With these, you can expect more detail, less grain, and clearer colors even in dark environments. It could finally solve the long-standing problem of noisy, blurry nighttime footage. Resolution options could also be top tier. The camera is rumored to record at 8K resolution with 30 frames per second, or at 5.7K with 60 frames per second. That gives creators flexibility between ultra-high detail or smooth motion depending on what they're shooting. Action footage, walking tours, or even studio-style talking heads in 360 could all look sharp and immersive. HDR video support is another rumored feature, allowing the camera to capture more dynamic range in challenging light. Whether you're shooting under bright skies or in a shadowy room, HDR helps balance highlights and shadows for a more natural and cinematic look. For advanced users and professionals, the possible inclusion of a flat log color profile is huge. This gives creators the power to color grade their footage in post-production without losing detail. It's ideal for building consistent visual styles across different clips or matching footage from other cameras. It's a feature usually found on more premium gear, so seeing it here speaks to DJI's ambition. Hardware aside, the biggest question is about software. Insta360 has dominated this space partly because of its excellent app and smart tools. From automatic reframing to object tracking and one-tap edits, the software is often what makes or breaks the 360 experience. DJI already has the Mimo app, which controls other Osmo products, but editing spherical video requires different tools and workflows. We don't yet know if DJI will upgrade Mimo or release a brand new app optimized for immersive content, but it's something to keep an eye on. The leaks also mention something even more interesting. The Osmo 360 may not launch alone. Reports suggest DJI could unveil it alongside two other products: the Osmo Nano, a mini action cam, and the DJI Mic 3, a new wireless mic system. This would mark a major step in building a creator-focused ecosystem. Being able to shoot high-quality video, record clean audio, and edit it all within a single platform would make life a lot easier for vloggers and filmmakers. Integration is where DJI could shine. With their existing lineup of stabilizers, drones, and cinema gear, the Osmo 360 would be a strong addition to an already growing toolkit. Imagine switching from drone footage to 360 handheld shots without changing ecosystems or apps. It's a move toward full creative freedom and control. What's also promising is the timing. The interest in immersive and interactive video is growing fast. Platforms like YouTube and Facebook already support 360 content, and the rise of VR has made spherical video even more relevant. If DJI delivers solid hardware and pairs it with smooth software, this could be the camera that brings 360 into the mainstream for more creators. Of course, some questions still remain. We don't yet know how the camera handles audio, what kind of mounting accessories will be included, or what battery life to expect. But based on DJI's history of thoughtful product design and innovation, there's reason to be optimistic. The Osmo 360 has the potential to do for immersive video what the Pocket series did for handheld stabilization. Make it simple, smart, and fun. And if all the leaks turn out to be true, we might be seeing one of the most exciting camera launches in a long time. So, is the DJI Osmo 360 the next big thing in immersive video? From what we've seen and heard, it just might be. With a refined design, powerful rumored specs, and a possible push toward an all-in-one creator ecosystem, DJI is setting the stage for something major. This isn't just about matching what other brands have done, it's about going beyond. The potential here is huge. Whether you're a content creator, a travel vlogger, an action sports junkie, or just someone who loves experimenting with new visuals, the Osmo 360 could offer a fresh and creative way to tell stories. And if it's launched alongside new gear like the Osmo Nano and Mic 3, that shows DJI is thinking beyond single products. They want to give creators a full set of tools that work seamlessly together. Here at Factic, we'll be watching closely for any official reveals or updates. We'll keep bringing you the latest news, hands-on reviews, and gear breakdowns as things develop. If you're excited about where this tech is headed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Factic, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for sticking with us, and we'll catch you in the next one.